everyone, this is Vanessa Nielsen here, and we are at a property in Milpitas. As you can see, we're right in the middle of staging. Come on in, I'll show you just what's going on behind the scenes. So you have a front entrance here. There used to be a cabinet right here. That was the homeowner's personal item, so she's cleared out pretty much 99.9% of the house. We're putting in a bench right here. In this entrance, there was an older light, and we had them change it out to something very clean and neutral. An LED light that actually is very bright. I just love that it's very flush mount and makes the ceiling feel taller. That's the crew working, and this is going to be a living room area, and this is going to be the formal dining room area. Here we are in the kitchen, breakfast nook, and family room. So I call this the great room. The kitchen is very bright and spacious, and I love how they remodeled it. We accessorized it to bring out a little bit more color while still keeping the palette very neutral. And you'll notice the black hardware on the kitchens, and it really makes the kitchen pop without making the kitchen look busy. I love this macrame here. This is fun and a different, unexpected piece of art on the wall. Actually, they had a couch right here. So that's the couch that we're using, that's theirs, and it used to be by the windows. It was taller than the window ledge, and I did not want to obstruct the windows. I wanted people to be able to see the view outside. So we moved their couch over to the wall side. We are going to be dressing that up. The bookcase is coming in. The bookcase by the fireplace really lets people know that they can have a built-in cabinet, add more storage inside this nook, so it shows a lot of different possibilities. The fact that the couch has been removed from the windows, now the fireplace can be a focal point in this room. So this mirror was here already, hung with the hook and 2 nails down here. We are going to actually rehang this mirror. So we're gonna hang it a little bit more securely, and it will look like this. This is actually a better orientation, so then that way the wall art itself is not wall to wall. So again, this way it was a little bit more wall to wall. This way, the portrait way, gives it more space. In the hallway, there used to be an older light, and I had them switch it out to a cleaner contemporary flush mount light. In this powder bathroom, there was another light fixture, but we chose something trendier. So these are really fun lights. If I turn off the lights, you can kind of see the shape of it. And the whole entire bathroom got repainted to a more neutral color that matches the rest of the house. Follow me upstairs. I'm excited to show you all the spacious bedrooms that are offered in this house. First of all, let's start with the carpet. The carpet was replaced. I love this pattern. So fun, and in fact, when something stains, it's going to be hard to tell. So I like this new trendy style. Master bedroom lights. Turn it on. There used to be a crib right here. They had a queen bed, and they had furniture on this side. We had them vacate the entire room, and we brought in our bed. So this is still work in progress right now. I can't wait to show you how it looks afterwards. But here is the most exciting transformation I can't wait to share with you here. The master bathroom vanity. What they had was old and outdated, and it wasn't going to get you the price tag that they're looking for. So this was a major upgrade. The dual vanity with new cabinets, new sink, new everything, new faucets. And I love the beautiful mirrors here. And take a look at the lights up above. Aren't these fun? And they match with the rest of the house too. Another update to this property was the shower door. It's nice and clear. It used to be an obscured glass, and it just gave it a very dated look. So now we have a crystal clear, which makes it new and clean. So in this bathroom, we had them paint over the purple walls. I was okay with the purple, but in the end, having a neutral color just matched with the rest of the house. It just makes it move-in ready for people. We updated the vanity light, and I think they're just so fun and so new. So I think the new buyers will be excited about this feature. Going into one of the bedrooms here, we love their papasan chair. We had them keep the papasan chair in here. I think it's very fun and playful. Here we are in the bedroom where I suggested we have 2 twin beds in here because there was enough space, so I can't wait for it to be completed. And this room in here, we wanted to convey it as a bedroom and also a room where someone can have their home office as well. We didn't want to sacrifice the bedroom portion because every bedroom has value to it, more so than an office. So we wanted to show both functions.